Right, so another graphical inequality. All of these are solid lines. I don't know how easy that is to see on your on the PDFs, but they are all solid lines. And I've been given the three equations. So my first thing is to match each of these three equations to the three lines that are on the graph. Well, the quadratic one's nice and easy. So clearly the red one must be the 2 minus 5x minus x squared. It's a negative x squared. It's an n-shaped quadratic, so that's all looking good. It's only quadratic, so unless they're playing tricks with me, it's got to be that one. The other two, well, they've both got negative gradients, so I think maybe I'll look at this one. So if I rearrange this into the form y equals mx plus c, that's going to be minus x plus 4, so that must be the one with the intercept of 4. So that's the x plus y equals 4, the green line. So this blue line here must be 2x plus y equals 0, and that would have a y-intercept of 0 if I rearranged it, which it does, so I'm happy that that's correct. Okay, so write down the set of inequalities. So just need to look at each of those lines and decide what's happening. So if I look at this one first, they're shading below that line. So I think it's probably going to be easiest if I have it in this form here. So if I have it in the form y equals minus x plus 4, and they have shaded the region below that, so that's where y is less than minus x plus 4, and then I mentioned that they're solid lines, so y is less than or equal to minus x plus 4. Okay, so I'll do the same thing with this one. So if I rearrange that to y is minus 2x, this time we're shading above that line. So this time they're shading where y is greater than that line, and again it's a solid line, so it should have the equals. And then this one, at least this one doesn't need rearranging. They're shading below the quadratic. That's sort of the bit to look at there. So again, they're shading where y is less than that. So I'll just tidy my answer up a little bit and list them clearly. So in fact, I'll just add to this list here. So y is less than or equal to 2 minus 5x minus x squared, and y is greater than or equal to minus 2x.